Hey guys, Ross here. Today I'm gonna show you the laziest way that anyone can use to make money online as a complete beginner. In fact, we will see a special website that is a business in a box, and it solves all the problems and obstacles people have when it comes to making money in this digital and AI era. This website is an AI powerhouse that will be your business partner. Let's jump straight in. Welcome back. I'm in a new settings. I just changed places, but now, why this method is lazy? This is not just a magical button that you can click and make all of a sudden tens of thousands of dollars. No, the method is lazy in terms of effectiveness and simplicity. What it used to take months, now it takes just 1 hour. Almost everyone on the planet Earth wants to make money online. 99% of the people out there are struggling with three main problems. First, they don't know what kind of business to enter. They don't know what kind of niche or topic they should pick. Second, they don't know what kind of product should they create. And thirdly, they don't know who they're going to sell the product to. That's why I have this special AI website today for you, promotopics.com. I'm already logged in actually, and I'm gonna go to trending. This is actually your business idea. If you don't know what kind of business to start, if you don't know how to make money, this is it. This is the place. So here you're going to see hundreds and even thousands of ideas that are very niche specific. Right away we can see under desk cycle pedals. We can also see predictions. Now it's December of 2025, but the tool gives us AI predictions up until June of 2026. And we can see that this topic will actually go up in searches, meaning people will start buying even more from this. Procreate for beginner digital artists. Collagen supplement drinks. Financial literacy for college students. Oh, I actually love this topic. So I think you can scroll down and explore all of these topics. I mean, there are hundreds and even thousands. Digital photography course. This is good. Online piano lessons. This is good. You see, it's going up. This one is going down a little bit. Probiotic supplement powders. Anyways, resume writing for career changers. This is kind of stable. It's not going down. It's just one flat line, it seems like. But this one, financial literacy for college students, I really like this. From here, so I'm going to click validate. And now the promo topics tool is validating my idea, which is the financial literacy for college students. Description about it. This niche shows strong rising interest due to increasing student debt and growing awareness of financial well-being. Market demand is high, driven by students, parents, and educational institutions. Okay, so this is good sign. These are potential earnings here. Potentially, I can be making $15,000 a month selling what? Digital products. Secondly, this tool gives us affiliate offers, which is huge because now I can see offers that I don't have to create, and actually I can promote these offers without creating my own product, which is pretty cool. On top of that, you can study these affiliate offers and see how other people are promoting them and just copy what works. This tool not only gives us the actual offers, but also active ads in this niche. I can literally see what people are currently promoting right now. So let's see, college level financial literacy. I can click copy Google link, open a new tab, paste the link right here, and boom, there we go. I can see the Google shopping page. And I can see what they're selling. Let's see, dream catcher. Let's see what they sell. Financial literacy. Let's see for what? $129. Okay, so we're on to something here, guys. I'm actually getting excited. Let's see some other ads. What is this? Financial literacy, $600. Okay, let's see. Copying the Google link, open it in a new tab. So they're selling. There is a video. Let's play it.
Number 7, review regularly. We've done a lot of work so far with planning, with tracking, but really
All right, I'm not gonna waste time. I'm gonna click view pricing or choose an option. Let's see view pricing. 19,000 a year. That's some kind of a school or seminar or I don't know. Anyways, you got the point. I can literally see what people are currently promoting, how much money they're making. So you don't even have to create your own product, and you can get a percent of 70% commissions. We can scroll down and we can see these AI strategy suggestions. We scroll even further, and here we have the AI due diligence assistant. I can actually type something myself, which is, what if I don't want to promote affiliate offers? Let's say I just want to create my own digital product. So I'm going to say, what kind of product should I create? Give me something for beginners. I am a beginner in the digital marketing space. Oh, by the way, while I'm here at the bottom, you see this? This badge actually allows you to make money by helping people make money. How cool is that? So in other words, you can become an affiliate and earn 50% commissions to promote topics. Actually refresh the page, but our conversation should be saved in the AI assistant. Let's click it. And yes, as a beginner digital marketer, product idea number 1, the Smart Student Blueprint, a debt-free, rich college experience action pack. Core concept, a high actionable, downloadable digital product bundle designed to solve specific immediate financial pain points for college students. Okay, so this is more like it. I can create this one. And it gives us complete steps on pricing. How should we price it? Price points $27 to $47, one-time purchase. It's a digital download, and it should include the college budget blueprint, spreadsheet template, value component 1, which is a Google Sheet with Excel template, etc., etc. Second, downloadable is going to be student loan survival guide. This is pretty cool, by the way. I want to do something else. I'm going to say, create me a Facebook image ad so I can see how I can promote this on Facebook. I'm going to click the image icon because usually I use a lot of Facebook ads. Facebook ads is the bread and butter for almost all my businesses. Right away, we have a Facebook image ad. I can even tell it to make it more vivid, more attention grabbing, more exclusive, and include emojis in it. Now that's more like it. So we're gonna go crazy. Make it so it looks cartoonish, and also implement 3 steps. Why I want 3 steps? Because subconsciously people, when they see steps in their minds, they see a path to solve a specific problem. So for example, 3 steps to solve your student loan debt, 3 steps to fix your car engine, 3 steps to, I don't know, make money. That's good. I like a step. You can play around with the tool, come up with different images, different tactics, different strategies. I can say, can you create my, what was the name of the product we're creating? Let's see. Smart Students Blueprint, a debt-free and richer college experience. So let's copy this, and I'm going to say, can you create my quote-unquote mock-up for my digital product? Hit enter. So let's see now. Not bad. Smart Students, a debt-free and college experience. Okay. All right. You can play around with the tool. But now if I go back to the trending niche, just the validation itself is, I think it's worth the entire experience, because I can see active ads, I can see affiliate offers, I can see all of that nobody can see. I also can see rough estimates. So let's go to another topic. Let's see smart water bottle. I can click validate to smart water bottle. I can see I can make roughly $10,000 a month, roughly estimate, selling these bottles. Now, I don't want to create these bottles, right? I don't have a manufacturer facility. So what I can see affiliate offers, and I can start selling bottles and get a commission as an affiliate. So here are a bunch of affiliate offers. Smart water bottle, advanced electrolyte tracking. Now this is something I'm interested in. 40% commissions. The price is around $100. So 40% of $100 is $40. So I like this. Let's see if we have active ads. Yes, we do. Do we have? Oh yeah, we do. We have an active ad for, guys, I'm getting excited. So let me show you. We just found an affiliate offer, smart water bottle, right? Now we have the product. We already, and not only that, now we know. So let me go back to the beginning. So I want to show you something. What we just saw is a smart water bottle. We saw predictions that are spiking and are going up in the next 6 months. So now we know there is a demand. It says rising, and it has been rising for 135%. So we already see something that is going to be selling. We have a demand. People are looking for this, and it has huge potential. Secondly, we validated this bottle or niche, smart water bottle. We see the earning potentials, and now we have affiliate offers. So we don't even have to manufacture these bottles ourselves. We don't have to go to China to buy these bottles. We actually can grab an affiliate link and promote it for 40% commissions. Now, thirdly, how do we promote it? We don't know. Well, we now have an active ads tab here, and we can see how actually people are promoting this. I can see a real ad for this product. Let's see it. Let's actually see the ad. Let's copy and paste it and see how this ad looks like. Okay, let's see how they advertise. Large bottle, okay, accept. stay on the US store. So this is it. Purify. Looks very, very good. Very stylish. Okay, very nice website. I like it. Okay. So yeah, we have the website, we have the ad copy, we have everything, and we have the affiliate program here at the bottom. So I can just click affiliate program, and now I can become an affiliate, start promoting this bottom. Anyways, I can even scroll down, and right away from the bat, I can ask the AI due diligence with these predefined buttons. I can say design a Facebook ad. So let's click it and see if it's going to create a cool Facebook ad for this particular niche. Now, while this is creating the actual, oh, it did create it. I mean, it looks very generic. I would play around with it. I would just make it look more kind of cool, attention grabbing, etc. But for the first try, it's not bad at all. Now, obviously, this promo topics website has other places. For example, we have Discover. I didn't show you the Discover tab. This is very, very powerful. You can play around with it. This is where you enter a broad category. For example, like it says, weight loss, fitness, cooking. And this tool finds you sub categories, sub niches of the broad category. Why? Because nobody is promoting products in these subcategories. So you can actually be the pioneer and make a lot of money by becoming the first or the pioneer in this particular niche. That is a sub niche of a big niche. This is literally business in a box. Let me know if you want me to create another video about this website. I like playing with it. I can talk about different niches. I can talk about different topics. So if you want me to create more videos about this, comment down below topics and I will do it. Even right now, while I'm actually shooting this video, interview skills for career changes. That's pretty good. So let's load on. Farmhouse crates. That's not bad, actually. This is also a very good one, guys. Look at this. Financial planning for millennials. Not only for college students, but now we have for millennials. It's going up. There's so many niches. So go explore on your own. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Comment down below with the word topics if you want me to create more videos about it. And I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.